Good morning students, welcome to Authorities Commerce and Finance Coaching. Today we are going to learn about financial goal setting. We'll learn the theory before videos in our online lectures. So right now in this video we are going to learn about the parameters for measurement. So different kinds of formulas are included here. Generally, the change have been made in the performance and measurement criteria of corporate entity from the traditional profit base like measuring EPS, return on capital employed, return on net worth, net operational profit after tax, earning before interest and tax, that is EBIT, and market value added, shareholders value added, cash value added, economic value added, and economic value added in percentage in rupees is management profit, in management capital profit. So the different kinds of formulas are including here. The first one is return on net worth, that is profit after tax upon net worth into 100. Return on capital employed, that is profit before interest and tax upon profit before interest and tax upon debt and equity into 100. Third one is earning per share, that is profit after tax minus preference dividend upon number of shares outstanding into 100. Next formula is economic value added, that is net profit after tax, that is NOPIT minus COC, that is cost of capital employed. Last one is economic value added as a percentage of capital employed mentioned in EVA upon CE, that is capital employed means debt plus equity into 100. Next is economic profit, that is ROIC into invested capital minus WACC into invested capital. So these are the economic profit. Next formula is the calculation of EVA, that is calculate net profit after tax, which is mentioned in net profit plus provision plus contingency plus investment borrowing minus tax. Investment capital is equal to total equity and reserve plus total borrowing. Next one is return on invested capital, that is ROIC is equal to NOPIT upon capital employed, that is net profit after tax. Next formula is cost of equity, KE, it is mentioned in KE, which is mentioned is equal to RF plus beta into bracket RM minus RF. When we solve this problem, you can easily get what these measurements are actually. Next one is cost of debt, is shown as a KD, that is KI into bracket 1 minus T, T is tax, in another bracket tax at the rate say 30, means 30% tax is taken, 1 minus 30 means 0.30 will be taken here. Next one is WSCC, weighted cost equity plus weight cost debt. In next slide, here we are going to learn about capital charge, which is measured in cost of capital, that is WACC, weighted average cost of capital into capital invested. EVA in percentage and EVA in rupees should be mentioned in ROIC minus WACC, NOPIT minus WACC invested capital. The next formulas are free cash flow for the firm, that is FCFF, means FCFF is equal to NI plus NCC plus interest into 1 minus tax minus invested in LT minus invested in WC. LT indicate as long term investment. Next is FCFF is equal to CFO plus interest into 1 minus T minus investment of working capital. FCFF is mentioned in EBIT into 1 minus T, tax plus depreciation minus investment in LT minus investment in WCC. FCFF should be explained in EBITDA into TA into 1 minus t plus depreciation into tax minus investment in LT and investment in WCC. The next one is free cash flow to equity, that is FCFE. Before that we learn FCFF. Here now we are going to learn formulas of FCFE. So, FCFE is equal to net income plus depreciation plus change in working capital plus capex plus net borrowing, that is included debt issue minus debt rapid. Next one formula is FCFE is equal to, means there are one formula or one identification, but they have a different formula, means EVA indicated in percentage rupees, management profit. So, EVA can be mentioned in these kinds of thing. So, according to problem we have choose this formula. So, FCFE is equal to EBIT minus interest minus tax plus depreciation minus capital expenditure minus increase in net working capital minus principal debt repayment plus new debt issue plus terminal value. And last is calculation of FCFE starting from FCFF, means this calculation starting from FCFF. So, FCFF minus interest into 1 minus t plus net borrowing. So, these are the all formulas. I hope you understand. When we start our actual practical problem, you understand it very well. Thank you so much, students.